On the recommendation of Steve, our friend from the diner, we decided to veer off the beaten trail, a beaten path here, and come up to Greenwood Furnace State Park and Village. I see they have a nice beach here. Very pretty setting. We're here on 305. There's hiking trails here, camping, picnicking. And as I said, it's a very pretty setting, as you can see for yourself. The marker here along 305 tells us that Greenwood Furnace was built in 1837, that the works closed in 1904, but some of the buildings are still here, the big house, the church, and so on. Here's Greenwood Furnace Church. It was built in 1867. Still has the bell and the steeple. This is some nice hiking. This is a real find. This is the furnace where the iron was produced. There would have been several buildings surrounding this back in the 1830s and 40s and onward until it was closed in 1904. By the early 1900s, the cost of bringing the raw materials here was prohibitive, and the industry, as we knew it, died. This stack was erected in 1860 and rebuilt in 1935. Yeah, it's terrific. These walls are really thick. Remnants of some of the surrounding buildings. There was a lot here. This was huge. We're still here at Greenwood Furnace. What we're looking at is the coal cars used to transport the materials along the railroad tracks. This is a great place to get out and walk.
Sure is. Stink.
Oh, those are pretty. Wild roses. Come on, get your hiking shoes on and let's go.